Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show how to fix error 0xc0000142. First, let's open System Configuration or Settings. Let's go. We need services here. Click Hide Microsoft Services and disable all. Then click Apply. Next, click this tab, Open Task Manager, and disable unnecessary startup items. There, like this, see? Close them one by one. If that doesn't work, open Registry Settings and find Local Machine Software. We need Microsoft, then Windows NT. Here it is. Then current version. Next, we need Windows and the folder. Here it is. Alright,